Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize trading strategies with Amazon.com and easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding your trading goals. Determine whether you prefer short-term or long-term strategies. Familiarize yourself with Amazon.com and stock history. Analyze the overall market trends affecting Amazon. Use financial news sources to stay updated on Amazon. Create a watch list to track Amazon stock movements. Set up a trading account if you haven't done so. Choose a trading platform that suits your needs. Leverage technical analysis tools available on your platform. Identify key support and resistance levels for Amazon stock. Utilize moving averages to gauge trends. Incorporate indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. Learn to use candlestick patterns for additional insights. Conduct fundamental analysis on Amazon by reviewing earnings reports. Evaluate key metrics like P/E ratio and revenue growth. Stay informed about Amazon's business developments and market competitors. Define your entry and exit strategies based on your analysis. Set stop-loss orders to manage risk effectively. Monitor your trades regularly to adapt to changing market conditions. Review your trading performance periodically. Adjust your strategies based on what you've learned from past trades. Practice disciplined trading to minimize emotional decision-making. Continue educating yourself about trading strategies and market analysis. Stay patient and persistent as you refine your approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.